Let me tell you that Mercury is a strange planet. It goes around the sun 3 times faster than Earth, which means that on Mercury, we'd have a birthday every 4 months. Gotcha! The first thing that struck me was how similar it was to our moon. I wondered if I was on Mercury at all. When the sun rises, it will be awesome, because on this planet, it must be huge in the sky. In fact, it isn't really much bigger. Mercury is nearer the sun than the Earth is, but still very, very far. Nonetheless, you will feel pretty toasty there. The difference in daytime and nighttime temperatures is huge. Luckily, I was well prepared. I had super cream.